when you add these new business terms, as soon as you add them, it's not like instantaneously they become available. Usually it triggers or it kicks off a bot training process, which takes, I think it's about a 4-minute time before it finishes, or maybe it's like a 4-minute time before the training itself starts, and then there's the time it takes to do the actual training. What you can see is that after a few minutes, it's now come down to 1 minute left, and I will just wait for this training to continue or complete itself. And yeah, it's actually saying bot training will start in a few seconds. So I do hope that as soon as the training starts, it doesn't take very long to do the training. Oh, there it is. So it's doing something. It's starting the actual training, and yeah, it looks like it's done with the training. That's good. So now I'm going to go back and ask the same question. So this is interesting because it does look like it understood that I'm talking about business terms, but it didn't return the response for this is what I expected, what are business terms, and it just came back with the actual definition for business terms. So I guess you can say that it's got it like partly right. I do wish that it came back with the definition for the business terms. So I just want to check something quickly. FAQs, how to delete business terms. If I were to go in, so that's only a single question. Okay, this is also a single question. So I don't think that it has anything to do with the fact that I have like multiple questions for the same FAQ. Instead, let me try how to add entities and see if that helps. So if I were to say how to add entities, yeah, there you go. So this is better. So it's now come back with how to add business terms. Now if I were to try one more time, what are entities? Yeah, it's still getting mapped to the wrong answer. Either way, you can see that it's now associated the term entity with the term business terms. So this is, I guess, this is a step in the right direction, although the overall performance is not great because we do want it to come back with the definition and not this answer for how to delete business terms. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of what business terms are used for in the Zoho answer bot, and we will look at another interesting resource in the next lesson.